So we're here at the Northern Colorado RV Show, and we're here to check out some products. So watch them along with us.
Okay, so we've already gone through a couple of the different RVs that are around back here. We've walked through a couple of the trailers, the pull-behind trailers, and then there's a Class C over there. When we find one that we kind of like, we're going to kind of do a walkthrough and see what they have to offer. So we're sitting... So we're sitting here in, what was it? A Cruiser
Fun
Finder
bumper pole trailer.
So we're not looking to buy it, but we kind of came to the RV show to just kind of look around and see if there was anything that we wanted to show you guys. And this bumper pole, I think, is a pretty good one. If you're looking for something to live in for one or two people and just kind of want a bumper pole or something like that, I think this is a good one for you. So we'll kind of show you some different features here.
Okay, so this is the Fun Finder bumper pole trailer that we saw. It's on sale for, I believe, around $25, so pretty good price for a feature. We have, I believe, just one big long slide that pops out. Profile's pretty small, pretty short, so very good for camping or someone wants to be fairly minimalistic. Got a nice fiberglass front cap there on a panel. The diamond plate protection at the bottom, and that's your propane tanks in the front. Okay, coming around here. Having a pretty small but deep passenger storage, probably about 8 feet width, maybe a little less, depending on the width of the trailer here. So that would be your main outside storage area. Looks like it's nice, fairly finished off. I don't see any piping or wiring in there. Under here, just your standard sliding windows. Your main entrance. The nice solid steps, which we have on ours, and I'm talking to myself.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
It's got a nice awning above it all the way across.
So coming in the bathroom here, probably the biggest bathroom we've seen so far in the show, especially for a bumper pole. So obviously just a one-person bathroom at a time, but plenty of space to maneuver around, lots of head height, and kind of decent head height in the shower here. I'm 6'1", and I'll probably have about an inch there into the skylights.
So I'm actually standing in the bathroom with him in here, and if I walk all the way back, I am in the back corner.
Probably a good 5 to 6 feet across.
That's how much floor space there is.
Yeah. So pretty good for a small trailer like this.
Mm-hmm. You got plenty of cabinet space in here, and a nice hanging thing for your towels.
Back regular fan like we have in ours.
And then we've even got a cabinet above here.
Yep, little medicine
Hey, look,
cabinet.
you can see me.
Yeah, there you go. Medicine cabinet. Nice sink. Plenty of storage. Got your heater vent and plugs. So, and you've got some additional storage along here. You can hang some clothes and then some more towels and toiletries. So. In the living area, have a nice three-tier, three-section sofa right in front where you mount your TV. Your entertainment center and your control panel. There you go. Wow. And then your fridge and freezer and your furnace down there.
So everybody is impressed with this bathroom in here.
Yeah, one of the biggest bathrooms we've seen so far.
You got a pretty good kitchen in here. Little tiny stove. Try to cook a Thanksgiving turkey in that oven.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a 3-burner stove with a glass top. So.
But you've got plenty of cupboard space in here as well.
Lots of cupboard space. Over here, you got your big basin sink. That's pretty nice. Your faucet. Plenty of counter space for prep work. Okay. And if you pan around here.
Look at the cupboard space first, real quick.
Yep, there's your, keep all your sink utilities, and you got your dividers for silverware, couple other drawers in there.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't notice this. Got a little storage under the benches. Go all the way back.
So if you have a cat box, that would be a good place to keep your cat box.
Yeah, it
It's
could
right
be.
underneath those
Yep.
benches.
Put a little cat door in there. And I believe this collapses down to make a sofa bed.
And it's got a pretty nice size windows here, so that you've got plenty of light in here.
Yeah, really good size one.
And lots of airspace as well.
Yep.
But somewhat similar to
Okay, and then come back to the bedroom.
It's got a nice, the shades with the nice size windows back
Size
here.
window on each side.
Got to see how much we can actually show you in here because it is tight. Does have a pocket door
Yep. Actually, just a sliding door.
or slider door.
Yep. So you got the track all the way across. Got some good storage area here. Lights up there, plugged in. You got your. They try to maximize storage as much as they could. You got some small drawers in here. Places to keep like some clothes.
It looks like there's a king size bed in here right now.
Yeah, I think it's queen actually. Yeah, king will probably go up against these. So.
Oh, I thought it was already all the way against.
But,
So you've got a couple of different
yeah, you got hanging storage.
shelves here that probably has the pass-through underneath it, so that's why it's up so high. And you got some different mirrored glass there and some lights right above the bed.
Storage up here, which actually goes all the way across, which is nice. Little places for your phone and glasses and reading lights.
That's something I wish we had in ours. And then
if you were to have a TV in here, you'd probably just have to mount it right up on here.
Yep.
Above your TV
have a
area.
swing arm that comes out. And
Yep. Oh, actually,
Oh,
I'll correct
right
that.
there.
TV mounting bracket location right there. So, yeah.
Okay.
That'll work.
So up in the front, there's also one more hidden spot that we'd like to show you, and
There's a little storage gen there. Little corner
so we're
storage.
finding more and more storage as we're going through here.
Speakers in the ceiling. There's your Coleman AC.
And then right up here by the front door,
Yes.
There's
Very,
a-
very nice closet.
little closet here
Yep.
with all kinds of shelving.
Yep.
Got good footprint in there, and it's got hangers for you here. So,
Pretty nice.
and your control for your AC and your heat here. So all in all, I think that this is a great little bumper pull for either camping or if you just wanted something really small to be able to live in and travel the country with. I always look at these as full-timers just because that's what we are. I know Mike is looking at them more as campers
Yes.
for people that want to camp out. So we kind of get both sides of the coin for you. This would be a great one. It's not very long. Do you know how long this one is?
I'm not sure. I would guess probably about 30 feet.
Okay, so maybe a little bit long, but
Yeah.
but it's got some nice space in here. It's got a slide out, so you've got a little bit more space in here. You've got some room for some animals and a couple of people. I think if we were going for something this small and this light, this would be the
This
one
would
that
be
I would
nice.
go for.
Yeah, you can easily tow this with a 3/4 ton.
Mm-hmm.
And the price is only around 25, so it's pretty reasonable for what you get.
Yep. And if we find another one at the RV show here that we want to show you some more, there's a couple of Class A's up there. We probably would never get a Class A, but it doesn't hurt to show you.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will talk to you later.